Today we are tackling a common issue for Windows 11 users, the dreaded blue screen of death caused by Microsoft game input. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Start by navigating to your desktop search bar and typing in Device Manager. Once there, locate and expand the display adapter section. Right click on it and choose Update Driver. Option that says Browse my computer for driver. Select Let me pick from the list of available driver. Choose the latest driver from the list and click Next to initiate the update. Now head back to your desktop and search for CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. In the CMD window, type SFC/scan now and hit enter. Be patient as the system scans for any corrupted files. This process may take some time. Once the scan is complete, restart your PC to apply the fixes. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the Microsoft game input causing the blue screen of death. That's it. Thanks for watching.